Hey, it's Jaime Greene, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can set up an email campaign inside GoHighLevel. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I will let you know that I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 kids and it's summer break, and the only time I can create content is really when they're home. So if you hear little footsteps going by, hopefully they don't start fighting with each other. That is why. It is what it is. It's who I am. I am a stay-at-home mom and really wanting to show everyone out there how you can utilize this software to simplify your business and keep everything under one platform and whatnot. I am assuming that if you're watching this video, you already have your dedicated domain set up. You have all of the things that you need to have set up so that you can send out emails to your email list. This is my Go High Level account. You can see Swell Stack up there in the corner. That's because I white label this as a SaaS. In other words, I white label Go High Level and I serve local business owners, including my own local business, which is Jaime Greene, the Solar Queen. You're going to probably see a lot of demos with that branding. Don't worry, it's Go High Level. You can check it out. I have an affiliate link in the description below. So if you're interested in a 2-week free trial to check it out and start building your business with this amazing software, go ahead and do that. I am inside of the marketing tab here on the left menu. Marketing is where you're going to set up your email campaigns. This video really is how to set up an email campaign inside Go High Level. And so let's go ahead and do that. So let's just explore really quickly the email campaigns menu page. You can see here the different emails that I've sent out. I just recently actually started sending out, recently meaning last year. But once a quarter, I will follow up with more information or just a broad general, hey, email list. Here are some things that I've been seeing happening in our state and our utilities. I'm in the solar industry. So in California, we've had a lot of big changes in the last year when it comes to solar and the utility companies and the utility commissioner's position with solar and everything. So I've been keeping my email list, all of my leads that have and have not gone solar, informed of what's going on. And so I just yesterday or 2 days ago set up an email campaign to be sent out today. And so you can see that right here. It was sent. You can also see that I created another follow-up email campaign when I realized that the booking button on my email was the wrong booking link. It went to La La Land. So I quickly resent out an email to my email list, and there you have it. Let's go ahead and check out the statistics. As you can see, this is a newer feature and it's pretty fantastic. I don't send out emails where there can be a transaction, like a monetary transaction, so there's no revenue right there. This would be like for e-commerce, or if you're a coach, consultant, or something like that where you're collecting money. You can see here payments. There's a way with this software where you can collect payments, you can send out proposals, you can create invoices, and you can have order forms and payments and all of that. So you can now do that through email campaigns. Pretty awesome to include a product that you're selling that you want to then have your clients sign up for and pay. You can do that with email marketing now. You can see here the engagement summary. You can see how many emails were actually delivered, 390, how many people opened it, and you can see the open rates, the 100% deliverability. That just means there's not any spam type emails in there. They're legitimate emails that people have filled out on my website funnel form. How many people opened it? How many people clicked on the button? There's one person that did, and I do hope that she eventually schedules an appointment with me, because when I spoke with her a year ago, she wasn't quite ready. She had just bought the house, but her utility bill was like $700 a month. It's ridiculous. These reports, these email reports are so granular that you can see how many emails were sent, how many bounced. No one bounced, which is awesome. That means no spam emails. 10 people unsubscribed. I'm totally okay with that because I don't want to keep sending emails to people who don't want to be emailed. Almost a 48% open rate, pretty great in my opinion. And you can just see the statistics down here. I do want to see better conversion of people clicking on it, but It's a high ticket type industry that I'm in. Here are all of the emails that I've sent out. Again, I'm not a daily, weekly emailer. I am pretty much a quarterly emailer. You can create folders and everything. I probably should do that so that I keep things segmented. Another thing I will say is this is also where you're going to send newsletters or email marketing campaigns. The differences between email marketing campaigns and newsletters, in my opinion, is a newsletter is merely to engage with your audience and to provide information. There's really not going to be a call to action. It might be an announcement of some sort of what's coming soon, but an informational newsletter, you're going to create those and send them through here too. Email marketing campaigns where maybe you're a new offer or you're launching a book or you have a course or something, however it is that you're using this, a sale on a new product or something, if you're e-commerce, or if you're a brick and mortar business and you are sending out an email to all your patrons with a 10% discount on happy hour, some sort of call to action, that would be an email campaign. You're still going to do it all here. So let's go ahead and click on new, and I will show you how simple it really truly is. So we're going to go ahead and click on the blank one. And you have two choices. You can do code editor with HTML, which I don't know how to code. One of the things I love about GoHighLevel, it is no code software. In other words, there are a lot of developers that work for GoHighLevel that are doing all the code in the back end, or you can use it in a design editor, which is what I use. That's like visual drag and drop and done. Like it's super, super easy. So we're going to select that. And this is what it's going to look like. You're going to set up your campaign name. So I'm just going to say demo email campaign. And then view this email in a browser. So that's a link so that people, if they open it up, it'll open it up into a web browser, basically. If you don't want that, you can take it out. Was having some difficulty with the screen recording, and hopefully this will work, but it's not letting me really design it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and design the email, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like when I'm all done. So you can see that there's nothing here. I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording, and then I'll come back and show you what I've done, and then we'll send it out and show you the behind the scenes of how to send out the email. So I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the simple email campaign that I put together. I'll just walk you through what I did. For some reason, it doesn't like letting me record as I'm building. I have a logo, so I went ahead and drag and dropped the logo in here, and I resized it so you can see it. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Maybe now with the elements you can see it. If you have a logo, it's always good to have your branding there. I went in and put a text element here, and I just wrote happy summer and then contact's first name. So this is a custom field. And the way that you would do that is up here in your control bars, you can come in here and put custom values. So I put my contact first name. I like to do that. And then I created this happy summer image inside of Canva. And then I added it to my media folder inside my sub account. So this is how I did. So I clicked onto it, and you can upload from media. You can create it with AI if you want to. And you can see I can create padding. I can make it go to the left. I can make it go to the center right, or I can do the full, which I don't want it to do. But we'll do it in the middle. If you want to link it somewhere, you can put a link there if you want. Totally up to you. This box here is just the email text. So it's officially summer. Today, happy summer. As I'm recording this is summertime, the first day of the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year. Wrote a little message. I added a button so that they can go and book a consultation with me. My daughter is here. She just came in. So if you hear some rumblings, that's her. And then wherever you want to direct somebody, you put that link here and it will direct them to that. Make sure you send it to a calendar or to a landing page or something so that they can then take action. And then I just said, happy summer, Jaime Greene, the Solar Queen. And then I put a divider in here. So this is just text. This is a divider. You can see that you can adjust it however you want. I can make it dashed. I can make it dotted. I'm going to just keep it solid. I can change the color. And then this here is your footer, and it's going to have copyright with your year, the location, your business name, all rights reserved, your email address, and the unsubscribe button. So that's all that I've done here. So I'm going to save it. You can send this now. You can schedule it for a later date. You can batch schedule it. If you have a really large email list and you want to batch it out, you can do that as well. RSS feed schedule, I don't do that. I'm a very simple, basic user of the software. I'm going to send it now so you can see it. I'll open up my email. I have some dummy accounts set up. So I'm going to hit from, and you can use custom fields. So this is, I'm the user. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do user email. I'm going to set a custom reply. You can do this if you want. If you don't want it to go back to your email address. Honey, you gotta be quiet, okay? Thank you. Sender name, the name recipients will see. You can do, again, your user full name. That's usually what I do. And then I'm going to say, happy summer. And we're just going to do contact first name. Whoops. Okay, so actually, this happened earlier today. You're going to come in here, pick your custom field, and go in and put your text in front of it and any punctuation. You're going to choose contacts, or you're going to choose contacts from tags, or you can choose all contacts. It's totally how you've segmented them out inside of your contacts tab inside of GoHighLevel. Tracking clicks. This is a new thing. So I'm going to put that because maybe I want to know who's clicked on it, because maybe I'll call. I'm going to choose contacts from tags, and this is how I'm going to do it. So here are all my tags that I have. I have demo contacts for videos. You have all these different tags that you want to segment your people out. That's what you can do. We're going to go ahead and hit send. And then I want to show you the deliverability. You can see here now it's sending the emails out. I have 5 people in my contacts that are tagged with demo accounts for videos, so that when I do email campaigns or automations, I'm using just those emails so it doesn't actually go out to real people. I'm going to hit the refresh button. It shows sent. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. We can see here that they have been delivered. These are Jamina, KK, CC, No, Hula. Those are all nicknames of my family. You can see the email is here. It's right here. And this is the email that came through. You can see Happy Summer CC. That was using the custom value of the first name. The image, you could even download it if you want to. It's officially summer. Welcome to the longest day of the year. Happy summer, Jaime Greene, the Solar Queen. Here you can see the footer with all of the custom values there. This is my email address. And then if someone wants to unsubscribe, they can hit that and it unsubscribes them and notifies you and changes it within their contact. So you want to make sure people have unsubscribed from your list, that you're not sending out more emails. I really hope that this was a helpful video for you. Thank you for bearing with me as the screen recorder wasn't recording the actual drag and drop. But I promise you, when you get in there and you start using the email builder, you can customize it to however you want. You can get in there, you can, do different columns and different sections, and you can make it really robust to however it is that you send out your email campaigns and newsletters. But I like simple. So this is simply how I did it and how quickly I did it. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're new to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. I hope this was valuable information for you. Make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're interested in that free trial of GoHighLevel for 2 weeks, go ahead and click on my affiliate link down below. I do earn a little bit of commission if you do end up signing up for GoHighLevel. I promise you will love the software, and my goal is to create content to help you navigate through the endless possibilities that GoHighLevel offers to you as a business owner or as an entrepreneur, maybe even a SaaSpreneur. So take care. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.